Okay, let's plant a flower. What do we need? What do we need to plant a flower? I need, we need
dirt.
We need dirt. Can you find dirt? Oh yeah, dirt. Dirt. Okay. We need
Water.
We need
water.
Yes. Can you find water? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's a lot of water. Okay, excellent.
We need seeds.
Seeds, yes. How can we plant a flower if we don't have flower seeds? Oh yes, be careful with that. Ooh, seeds right here. Show it to the camera. Perfect. Okay, seeds. Put it on the table.
We need
a pot?
Yes.
Ah, okay, find a pot. Ooh, actually 2 pots. Excellent. Okay, so before we start, here our flower pot is a glass. It can also be the bottom of a water bottle or a cup, anything you find that can have dirt in it. Now imagine you don't have dirt. What else can we replace it with? The seed can grow in
coffee.
In coffee? No, but I think it can grow in cotton. Cotton or in tissue. Okay. Can you find a tissue? Yes, perfect. Oh, looks like someone planned this all along. Okay, so we can actually grow it with tissue too. Now, one pot. Number 1, what do? We put the water. We put the
dirt in the pot.
Yes. Okay. Can I put the dirt in the pot?
Can I put the dirt in the pot?
Yes, you can. Go put the dirt in the pot. Okay. Yes. Not too much. It's just to help the seed start to grow. Okay. We'll replant it in a bigger thing later on. Okay. Just a little bit more, and that's good. Okay. Can I put the dirt in the pot?
Can I put the dirt in the pot?
Yes, you can. Here you go. In the meantime, I will put tissue in the pot because the seeds can also grow in some sort of tissue. Okay. Great. Here we go. Okay, I think that's good. Now, dirt, tissue, dirt. What's step number 2?
Water.
Water?
Put the seeds.
The seeds, I think the seeds, yes. Okay, can I put the seeds in the dirt?
Can I put the seeds in the dirt?
Yes, you can. Take a little pinch. Okay, put them in. Okay.
Can I put the seeds in the dirt?
Yes, you can. Go for it. Okay, and we'll do the same. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to press a little, so the seeds are in the dirt. Here we go. Okay, and what is step number 3?
Put the water.
Can I put the water?
Can I put the water, please?
Can I put the water in the on Alicia's hair?
On the pot.
On the pot, in the pot. Yes. Just a little bit. We don't want the seeds to be swimming in the pot. I think that's good. I think that's enough.
Can I put the water in the pot?
Yes, you can. Go. For the tissue one, I'll put a little more water. I want it to be actually drenched, so the seeds get a lot of water here. The humidity in the dirt and with the added water will be enough. Okay, here. Okay, it looks like it's really wet. Perfect. Okay, it's actually a little bit too much. Ooh, it's completely swimming. I don't want it to be completely swimming. Here we go. It's perfect. Wow, yours are perfect. Now, it's good. Aisha, it's good. Now, where do we put it? Do we put it in a dark place when there's no light, or we put it in the sun?
In the sun.
In the sun. So let's go find a windowsill or a sunny place outside or anywhere. and we'll see in a few days what happens to our seeds, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Let's go! Bye!
Bye.